If you want to make super refreshing and healthy tiger nuts milk without it going bad or without it curdling, then watch this video to the end as I take you through all the steps for you to achieve your healthy milk. Okay, I am Hirat and you are welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe because you are going to love my channel. So here I have dates and I use the hard ones and I soak this overnight for it to be soft so I can remove all the seeds in it. But you can use the soft one as well and it is cool. So we are going to use this as a sweetener because we are not going to add any sugar to it. Next, I have ginger and I haven't peeled the skin because the skin has loads of benefits as well. And here I have cloves, which I've soaked, and here use small quantity, okay? And I have my coconut, which I am using the matured coconut. And you can use coconut milk if that is what you have at hand. Next, I have tiger nuts, and I am using the fresh tiger nuts. You can use the dried one, but you have to soak it for 2 to 3 days for it to be soft. And you can use the black and white, or just this color is fine. So next, I am going to add all the ingredients in my blender and make sure everything is properly cleaned, especially with the tiger nuts because they have sands in it. Because after everything, they dry it on the ground. So I'm going to add everything in the blender. I will add small quantity of water. You can add maybe 1/4 to what you have in your blender. Just add the 1/4 of water to it, and then we are going to blend this. Make sure your blender is very strong, please. If not, just take it to the commercial grinder and they will do it for you perfectly, okay? And here is the trick on how to preserve your milk. If you are doing it in large quantity, make sure you add some ice cubes to your bowl before you start straining it. But if you are doing it in small batch, just like me, you can just continue with the process before you add the ice cubes. But please make sure you do it fast, okay? If not, it will go bad. I don't know what is wrong with this thing, but if you don't do it fast, it will go wrong. So here, transfer everything into your cheesecloth. And if you don't have any cheesecloths, just get your light scarf or mayafi and then transfer everything. Strain it, squeeze it very well because we want to extract all the milk from the chaff. Squeeze it very hard. So when you squeeze it and you notice there's still milk in the chaff, you can just throw it back into your blender. You can just throw it back into your blender, add little water, and then blend it again and strain. Okay. So after everything, just see our milk so thick, healthy, and refreshing. So I am going to pour it over some ice cubes because I don't want it to go bad, guys. And just tell me from your screens, you can just tell this drink will taste good. So don't just watch this video. Try my recipe and you will love it. Just serve it chilled, or you can just transfer it into your fridge, and this will last for 2 days in your fridge and for 2 weeks in the freezer. So here is it. And if you are a sweet girl, just like some other people, you can just sweeten this with some condensed milk and it was so good. It tasted so good, guys. Just try this with condensed milk and you'll know what I'm talking about. And without the condensed milk, it tasted so good too. If you are a lactose intolerant, then this video is perfectly for you, okay? Just try this recipe and you'll love it. If you have enjoyed this video to this very end, please don't forget to like, subscribe for more recipes, and turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And please don't forget to share. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.